Hey, don't do that, Kristen.
And how old are you?
2.
No.
1.
No.
That's not fair.
What was on your birthday cake, Joe?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle? You.
And once today, go get wet.
Very, very thoughtful, Chris.
Da 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 da. You're not even doing this right, Jim. Okay, everybody, wave bye.
Hi.
Wave bye, Joe.
I couldn't sing a song.
Oh, excuse me. Go ahead, sing a song, Joe. I love you.
One time we were in Philadelphia on South Street, and we were in an antique shop down there.
Uh-huh.
And her table was just like that, and I was so excited.
I don't think so.
Eat leaves.
Oh, that's great.
Good heavens. Mark, don't break your cane.
Oh!
Uppy. Oh.
If you drink all the water, you can't swim.
Like most about Jimmy, Kristen.
I love Jimmy.
You love him? That's nice. Joseph, what's wrong?
I'm telling Uncle Mark.
You have to go get it now, Jim. Go get it. You, Jim.
And when he was at the hospital, he pooped 2 times.
Hi, honey.
But he forgot the nail. And the hammer. Wormies.
Get it away from me, Kristen, before I kick you. A little grumpy at times, but we love him. Very cute. Good boy, Joe.